Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to show you how do I make this tangle with the pin tangle, so you can add this embellishment for your fabric bowl or whatever you like, your snippet roll. Okay, so yeah, for the kit you will receive everything for you to make this. So yes, let me try. So yeah, this one I use the dream. For the kit I believe it's dream, yeah, the words, but this one I will make this one with the words of the letter of love. Okay, so yeah, you have to use the drum ring. Is it called drum ring? Okay. So yeah, just read save in frame. Yeah, like so, and this one also. Later you can just press it. Little drum ring here. I have to change my another pair of my glasses because it's gonna see so clear with this. Old lady. Let me do it. Yeah, maybe I can use the bigger ring. So because this one is different, because this is quite thin and this thick, so the ring couldn't go through here. I get another bigger one. This is very easy for you to make, but my hand big clumsy. Okay, here's the big ring, so easy. To through this one. Like so. Okay. One thing I prefer to use the small one because you see, if you use the ring you have to tighten, because I don't want the wording will move around, so you have to fix it here so it will not move around. Make it move. Okay, you see, sorry, just like so. And other one, it's not so difficult. Everything is just add a ring and go through and hang the pattern you like. And this one I will provide the chain also. for you to hang this. Yeah, just follow your way to decorate your ring. So yeah, this ring I just do the simple way for you to show you how do I make this. Okay, I don't want to cover the words of the words here. And just tie it. Okay, fix it in here. And this one you can adjust, and because I didn't not let the flower to cover the word, so this one, yeah, possible you can over this side so the leaf will not cover the words. Okay, just like so. And other thing, you just hang up. And this one I just, you can see the ring here, I add the bit inside the leaf, just like so. So yeah, and the leaf here is all you will, everyone here, you know how to make all this, right? So I just show you some more. Okay, this is the so. Okay, and for the chain here, so add another ring. And this one I also add this, but so this one you measure the line, so you measure the this side, and later we cut this away, and this side another. Chain. So you can take another side here, but anyway, just show you how. Okay, and for the leaves, you get the archery ring. You just put in the bead one here, and then this one is too small for. Okay, show you, just put in front here. You get this might be okay over here. Yeah, you get the big ring is easy for you to work. Oh my goodness, Okay. Wasting time here. So before you add the leaf, you put in the bead. Okay, and just put this in and grab another bead. Let me see the hole here. Okay, just like so, and hang it here. Okay, so we got this one here. So yeah, just follow your design. Oh, I didn't close nicely. Just follow your design, see how you want to hang all these trinkets into your pin, or you just want to use it separately. Just follow your way. Okay, let me do hang this. Okay, so this one I get another ring, and this side I think I have to remove this because the rose facing another side, so I have to adjust the ring and close it back. Yeah, so everything facing here. My finger already cannot see the one, but inside I don't know why. Yeah, inside when I press here, still very hard and pain. So maybe just the surface already dry. So cannot bend flexible. Okay, here. So yeah, we have another chain. So everything, you get the bird nest, so you can hang the bird nest here. And this one, the leaves, so I will hang here. And I have another leaves. Okay. Oh, I got another chain here. So yeah, just like so. See, hang everything like so. Okay, so yeah, hope you like this this dangle, and I will come back and show you another tutorial, so please stay tuned. Okay, and thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.